In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Expedia. Whether you're planning a trip or just browsing, this feature can make your experience much smoother. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other that you regularly use. Now in the search bar, type in Expedia. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear beneath the bar. Select the one that simply says Expedia. This is the most direct way to reach the site. Once you click on the correct link, you'll be directed to Expedia's homepage. Here, you'll find a wealth of travel options waiting for you. But before we dive into those, let's make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password, and then click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see an option to create one. This is important because being signed in allows you to save changes and access personalized features. With that ready, let's focus on changing the currency. Look towards the top right section of the homepage. Here you should see either a globe icon or a link that reflects the current language setting, like English. Click on this icon or link. After clicking, a drop-down menu or a pop-up will appear. This is where you can select your preferred currency. You'll see a list of countries or regions. For example, if you want your prices to be displayed in US dollars, you should select United States. For British pounds, choose United Kingdom, and for Canadian dollars, choose Canada. This step is crucial as it ensures that all prices are adjusted to your preferred currency, making budgeting easier for your trip. Once you've made your selection, look for a button that says Save or Apply. Click it. The page will then reload automatically, and you'll notice that all prices are now displayed in the currency you selected. This makes it simple to understand the cost without needing to do any conversions. At this point, you might wonder why these steps are essential. Well, switching the currency to the one you're most comfortable with helps avoid confusion and ensures that you know exactly how much you're spending. It also eliminates the need for mental calculations, saving you time and potential errors later on. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency on Expedia, making your travel planning experience more seamless. Remember, whenever you travel or plan trips in the future, you can always adjust this setting as needed. It's a small step that can greatly improve your experience on the site. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!